George here with Melnick's Automotive. Just want to show you a quick tip. This is a 25 Subaru Outback. Every time you replace your airbag control module, which is located over here, right underneath this center console, next to the gas pedal. I mean, it's literally right underneath the radio on the floor. You will have airbag light on. Even if you put a brand new module, if you install one that has been reset, like if you send it out to get it rebuilt and they reprogram your module, when you're going to send it back, the light will not going to go out. You're going to have a code, B like boy 1796, passenger detection, serial ID mismatch. So what you need to do, you got to recalibrate your passenger seat. Here's how to do it. With your scan tool, go to special functions, and there's going to be re-zeroing. It's going to tell you a whole bunch of things. You just go through all the screens. I already know every single screen that's up there. It's going to count. It's going to do a countdown. Watch. It's recalibrating passenger seat weight sensors, and watch this. Watch this. Bingo. The light has went out. Look at my screen. That has been completed. All you have to do, hit OK, and just, perform the sensitivity test. But watch this now. I turn the car off. Okay, I'm going to restart the car now. Okay, all the lights came on. You could see the passenger off airbag light came on, went off, and now passenger airbag light off came back on because no one's sitting in the seat. If you were to put somebody that's heavier than 40 pounds, this light will switch to on. And look at our dash. We have no lights on. That's what you do when you put a new or reset airbag module on a newer Subaru. On older Subaru, you do not have to do this procedure. It will automatically go out.